Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make image into circle in Photoshop. We start by opening Photoshop with the image we want. Next, we are going to create a new layer that we will place below the main one. After that, we are going to go to the Shape tools and select the one we want, in this case, the Ellipse tool. Now let's draw our circle however we want. We'll make sure it contains the fill property and place the shape in the desired position. Then we go to the main layer and right-click on it. Then we will click on the Create Clipping Mask option. After that, we will see how our image fits into the circle created. We can modify both the appearance of the circle and the position of the image. Finally, when we have the composition ready, we can select both layers and right-click on them to choose the Merge Layers option. This way, we will have a final image to export. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.